Yo, what's up guys? Want to make this quick video on the camera comparison because I've been getting so many questions and actually been running two different kinds of cameras recently. They're both a little bit different, but maybe you guys can comment and tell me what you think about them. They're both on similar settings. I usually just run them in auto. And I want to hear what y'all think. I want y'all to decide what's better, the DJI Osmo Action or the GoPro 9. Also, what do you think about the GSXR? Do you guys want a more in-depth video and build details? So yeah, let's get straight into it. Woohoo! Guys, what do you think? What's the better action camera? Obviously, I got the DJI Osmo mounted to my chin, while the GoPro Hero 9 Black is on the bike physically, but still they have similar settings. What do you think about color? What do you think about stabilization? As you see my buddy Josh on his Harley going around the track. But please comment below, guys. I truly appreciate your feedback. And I want to know what y'all think. Again, subscribe and thanks for watching.